Let's learn how to sew a perfect curve with ease. Hello my loves, I welcome you back again to my channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you a simple technique to achieving a smooth, clean and professional curved seams. Even if you're a beginner, if this sounds like what you're interested in, kindly watch to the end and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Stop sewing your curved edges using the old method. Rather, try this. Make sure the wrong side of your fabric is facing up and place a paper underneath it, just as you can see in this video, and just sew along the edge, just as you can see. When you're done, you trim your thread and you may also trim your paper. And when you are done doing that, just flip it over to the right side, and there you're already having a neat curve. The next step is just to go ahead to top stitch, and that's it guys. Very easy and straight to the point. So this method works perfectly for dresses, necklines, armholes, flares and other DIY fashion projects. So when you are done stitching on it, definitely you will have your paper which you will trim out, and you will now have your final look. So like I said before, stop doing it the old way. Rather, start sewing your curves like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.